Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Volvo S60 mirror. First, gather your essential tools, including a trim removal tool and a T25 Torx bit. Make sure you have your new mirror assembly on hand and ready. Working in a well-lit area will make the process much easier and safer for you. This simple guide will help you replace your mirror efficiently and correctly. Now, let's remove the old mirror. Begin by gently prying off the interior trim panel that covers the mirror's base. Use your trim removal tool to avoid any damage to your vehicle. Next, carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the mirror assembly. Finally, unscrew the 3T25 Torx bolts holding the mirror in place. Keep these bolts safe for later use. With the old mirror removed, it's time to install your new one. Carefully position the new mirror assembly onto the door and secure it using the 3T25 Torx bolts you saved. Make sure they are tightened properly. Then, firmly reconnect the electrical connector. Finally, snap the interior trim panel back into place until it clicks securely. You're almost done. Now perform some final checks. Test the mirror's electronic adjustments and heating functions to ensure everything works correctly. Confirm that the new mirror is securely mounted and does not wobble. This ensures safety and proper operation. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, perfect for reading anywhere, as well as other great deals you might enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.